Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add order now button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have created a section, and now I'm going to add a button widget in it. So for adding a button, you just need to click on the plus icon in the black header line on the top and search for button widget in the left side toolbar, and simply drag and drop this button widget into the container or section. And in the left side toolbar, there are three kinds of settings available: content settings, style setting, and advanced setting. So in the content setting, you can simply change the text of this button from click here to order now, and in the link you can simply type the link of your shop page or product page where you want to redirect the user directly whenever he or she clicks on this particular button. So I have simply typed the URL of my shop page. Okay, so this is how you can simply add a order now button using Elementor on your website. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.